Today we are going to explain constructivism in international relations in a very detailed way. Constructivism is a social approach to world politics. Its central claim is that international politics is not shaped only by military power, money, geography, or other material capabilities. It is also shaped by ideas, shared meanings, identities, norms, expectations, language, and social interaction. In simple terms, constructivism became especially influential in international relations during the late 1980s and the 1990s. It developed partly as a response to theories that emphasized material power and rational calculation. The end of the Cold War gave constructivist scholars an important puzzle. Many dominant theories had difficulty explaining why a long-standing rivalry between the Soviet Union and the United States changed so dramatically. The phrase social construction sounds complicated, but the basic idea is straightforward. Something can become politically important because people collectively give it meaning. A physical object does not automatically come with one political meaning attached to it. For example, the same military capability can be interpreted differently depending on the relationship between states. A weapon possessed by a close ally may be interpreted as reassuring, while a similar web identity is one of the most important concepts in constructivist theory. An identity is a socially meaningful understanding of who an actor is and what role it has. States can see themselves as rivals, friends, leaders, victims, regional powers, responsible members of an international community, or defenders of particular values. These identities influence what governments consider appropriate or desirable. Constructivists therefore ask how constructivists connect identity to interests. In a simple materialist model, we might assume that states already know their interests and then choose strategies to achieve them. Constructivists reverse the order of the question. They ask how a state learns what its interests are. If a state understands itself as a defender of human rights, it may define its interests differently from a state that defines itself mainly through territorial security. This does not mean that norms are shared expectations about appropriate behavior. A norm tells actors what is considered acceptable, legitimate, normal, or improper in a particular social environment. International norms can concern sovereignty, diplomacy, human rights, the treatment of prisoners,